Welcome back. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fitting a cone filter. This is the one I got. It's a universal air filter from Halfords. It costs £20, and from what people have said, it's made by Speed, but it doesn't actually say anything to do with that on the box. But it looks decent. What you get with it, you get these different fitting clips. And there's 3 of them, and 60, 65, 70 and 75 mil fittings, so yeah, it's quite universal really. And this is the cone filter, that you get. Seems quite good quality, to be honest. You can't complain for 20 quid. It's just got this little fitment to tighten it all up and we're done. So we're going to go outside now, get the old box off. You need I think it was a T20 Torx, which is, you see that, bit blurry. There you go. Yeah, just 4 screws. I need some little cutters because you got some little clips that you need to take off. I'll show you that when we go outside. I think before we get into it, we'll do a before sound of what the car sounds like before we put the cone filter on. Just give it a couple of revs. Right, so that's what the box currently looks like. Yeah, we need to undo a screw here, screw here, screw here, and screw at the back, and then obviously loosen this up so you can get the top of the box off. I will just say this is a 1.2 limited edition. You know, it says universal on it, but I can't actually say myself whether it'll fit every single car. And that's it, cone filters in place. Yeah, I think it looks right as well. We ain't really going with any red theme in the car, but it's okay. And there's no warnings on the dash or nothing, so it's all good. I think that's a big improvement. Right, so that's the end of today's video. If you like it, give it a like, and remember to subscribe, because yeah, your support means a lot to me. So hope to see you in the next video.